Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the ASTER airdrop. Alright, so basically there are 7 ways to actually earn points for this airdrop in form of RH. So this project is actually backed up by Binance Lab, which has now rebranded to YZ Lab. So even the owner of Binance, whom by the name we call CZ or Champion Zoe, I don't know if I pronounced that right actually, he's said himself that he now has time to focus more on DEXs, and they are backing this project called ASTER airdrop. Of course, you all know that this project called ASTER has already done the first airdrop. Currently, we are on the stage 2, and a lot of people out there doesn't know how to go around this airdrop. So on this video, I'll be trying my best to actually explain it in the best way I can, and I'll be making sure that this video doesn't take any long. So watch till the end. Do not skip any part of this video, because I'll be taking you by the hand and I'll be teaching you all you need to know and how you can be able to go around this airdrop to make sure that you become eligible at the end. Just like I said earlier, there are 7 ways to actually end this airdrop. For the past couple of hours, I've been researching all about this project. So right now, I'm about to pour it out to you in less than 15 minutes. So watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part. Before we start the video properly, please kindly do well to support the channel by subscribing to our YouTube channel, guys, and liking this video. Most importantly, share this update to someone out there just as you have received it, so that they will also take action and of course be able to gain from this ASTER airdrop. Of course, this is airdrop is it involves trading, and on this video also I'll be teaching you how you can be able to participate on this airdrop risk free. All right, so right now let's not get started with the video properly. So the first thing you need to do is to click the link right there on the video description box. Once you click the link, of course you are going to be brought to this website. All right, so of course on this website, this is where we are going to be doing a lot of things involving trading cryptocurrency, and of course some other ways of getting to earn the RH. RH is actually the name of the points that we earn for this airdrop. So of course guys, the first thing you need to do is click on the link and of course sign in using my invite code, because of course if you are signing through my link, my invite code is going to be popping up immediately. Just try, I beg you, use the invite code so that you'll be joining my team. All right, so without talking much guys, let's now get to the main business of the day. So you need one thing before you participate on this airdrop. It is not totally free, though you can participate on this risk free using the strategy I'm going to expose, but still the airdrop participation is not totally free. All right, so you need to have USDT on your wallet. Of course you can use Phantom wallet, MetaMask wallet, and a couple of other wallets, but most importantly I recommend MetaMask wallet. Okay, so first of all, you are going to need to connect your wallet if you haven't connected it yet, and once your wallet gets connected, then you make sure that you are on BNB Smart Chain network. You can use any of this network, but personally I'm going to be using BNB Smart Chain network. Right, so once you have done connecting your wallet, first thing you need to do right now is to go ahead and of course go to the reward section. You can see reward right here. You click on reward, then you go to trade and earn. All right, so over here on trade and earn, you need to first of all connect your wallet if you haven't connected it. Then right now you are going to need to use mint the USDF. Of course you can use USDT if you want to, but we are going to be using USDF because using USDF as your margin or to trade on this ASTER protocol decentralized exchange, it's going to be some percentage increase that you won't be able to earn if you are using just your regular USDT. Okay, so right now guys, let's now get started with it. So my wallet is funded up with just $20 just for this airdrop. Of course the amount of USDT you are using to participate on this airdrop matters a lot because it takes into account your trading volume. And right now on this video I'm be exposing my own strategy to you. If you like, you can use it, but right now let's now get started immediately. So over here, this is my USDT right here. So I'm going to be converting about 15 USD to USDF. Okay, so I'm going to be converting it to USDF right now. So I will be putting in 15, and once I put in 15, then I will go ahead and click on approve USD. So this is going to be popping up my wallet. I need to approve it. Immediately after approving it from my wallet, I need to click on mint and deposit. Right, I will click on it. My wallet is going to be popping up again. I need to still confirm it again. Okay, so right now guys, immediately my wallet is going to be popping up. Come on guys, and I think here we are, guys. So I need to simply click on confirm, and over here right now you can see I've successfully minted USDT to USDF. Just like I said, USDF gives you a better edge towards this airdrop generally, because it earns you some percentage, and for just holding it you are already earning airdrop points. So I will go ahead and click on trade now. Clicking on trade now, right now we are going to be taken to, you know, the perpetual trading. Of course we have perpetual trading, and we also have spot trading. Spot trading basically is less risky, and you know, perpetual trading is as it's just like future trading. It is very, very risky. But right now the disclaimer is that I'm not a financial advisor. I need you to understand that, you know, trading cryptocurrency is very risky, and users who doesn't really know what they are doing are very likely to lose their funds. So if you're interacting with this, you are responsible for your action. This video is just for educational purpose only, and it doesn't serve as a financial advice in any way. So right now, guys, we are good to go. So first thing, like I said earlier, there are many ways to actually earn this airdrop. So right now, let me show you some of the ways to actually earn this airdrop. So first of all, this airdrop is basically gonna be giving us 4% of their total supplies. So over here, guys, on CoinGecko, you can see that ASTER is actually trading approximately around $2 after the sharp drop in price. So right now, guys, you can see they are going to be giving us 4% of their total supply. Of course, the total supply is 800 million. So what is 4% of 800 million? Okay, so 4% of 800 million is of course 32 million. All right, so we are going to be getting 32 million in total of the airdrop allocation for everyone. So when you multiply it by the current price, of course, when you multiply it by two, you can see we are going to be getting a total of $64 million. All right, so you know, this ASTER token could likely hit $4, and when it hits $4, about 1.2 billion is going to be up for distribution for the airdrop. So right now you have known what's up. Right now, let's now go straight into it. Like I already said, I said that there are basically 7 ways to actually earn this airdrop, and of course the first one is trading volume, and the second one is holding time. Third one as holding time. Third one right here is ASTER asset holding score plus profits and loss. Plus, there are a lot of them, though generally they are 7 in number, no need to waste time. But one other thing that I need to note right here is that this airdrop campaign is going to be ending on the 5th of October. All right, it's going to be ending on the 5th of October, so you have a lot of time to actually accumulate as many points as you can. So on the 5th of October, the snapshots are going to be taken, and from there we are going to be claiming our airdrop, and the third stage is going to be starting from there. Coming back right here to the perpetual trading, let me show you some things you need to do after making the minting of the USDF. So right, you can see $20. That is because I have about 5 USDT before I minted the USDF. So what I need to do right now is to select the pair that I actually want to trade. So I'll be trading ASTER USDT. I will select it like this. So once I select it right now, then I'm gonna have to either long it or short it. So right now, for the sake of this video, I will just place a trade anyhow. Before you place any trade, make sure that you have done enough technical analysis and all that's involved before you take any trade. So right now, for the sake of this video, I will just be, you know, looking at this 1 minute chart. I think I will just be, you know, shorten it a little bit. So one thing you need to note right here is that if you are taking long, if you are making if you are longing it, that is if you are buying it on over here on perpetual trade, you are going to be paying a certain fee. But if you are shorting it, you are actually going to be receiving certain amount of fee. So I will just be shortening it for the sake of this video. I will click on short. So over here, once I click on short right now, then I need to input some of the data right here. So I'll be shorting with I will just short it with maybe 2 USD. Okay, I'll short it with 2 USD, right? So over here right now, what I need to do right now is simply select my leverage. So over here you can see the leverage is on 50. What it simply means that you are not just shorting it with 2 USD. I'm just using this little amount for the sake of the video, so you should trade something that's higher than that, but it all depends on your capacity. So if you are trading with higher capital, you are as well going to be having a very, very high volume of trade. So right now, guys, you can see I have 50x leverage. What it simply means is 2 times 50, which is of course 100 USD on each trade. If you are trading this with maybe $500, it simply means 500 times $500 times 2, which is of course, you know, $500 times 50 rather. Okay, so $500 times 50, in case you are trading with 500 instead of these two that I'm using, it simply means that 500 times 50, that's going to be giving you total amount of volume you are going to be getting. But in this case, I'm only trading with 2 USD, so 2 USD times 50 is equal to 100 USD in volume. So you can decide to change it to maybe 20, 30 USD. Simply click on it and adjust it. So right here right now, I simply need to select the percentage that I want to use for this trading. So it is recommended that if you want to be making a trade, do not use more than 1% of your total portfolio to trade. But on this case, I'll be using 50%. Why? Because I have little allocation, just 5 USD, so I don't mind. So I will click on shorts right now. So clicking on shorts right now, my position is going to be taken right now. I need to confirm it. I will click on sell or short. So right now I'm predicting that the market is going to go down, but do not place trade on carefully like what I just did right now. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. So right now, guys, you can see I'm currently running profit about 24%. That is because I'm using 50x leverage. Okay, so what do I need to do from here? I'm going to be closing this trade right now. Okay, I'm going to be closing this trade right now. Let me show you how you can be able to trade this without any risk. I mean, very, very minimal risk. So what I need to do right now to be on a balance is to come over here. I'm going to be shorting this trade right now. I will click on short. Once I click on short, then I'm going to be using 50%. You can see I have a 5.1 USD after opening the trade. So I'm going to be using 50% of it. And right now I'm going to be putting my leverage to 1. Okay, I'm going to be putting it to 1x leverage like this. Okay, 1x leverage. Okay, this is now 1x leverage. So I will click on confirm. So I'm going to be shorting it right here on future trader. I'm now teaching you how you can be able to trade this without risk. So I will click on sell short right now. Okay, and right now, guys, they require me to put some. Okay, I need to readjust this. Just bear with me, please. Right now, 1x leverage 50%, which is approximately $2.5 or thereabout. So I will click on sell shorts right now, and of course, minimum quantity is 100 USD. That is if you are using 1x leverage, minimum quantity should be 100 USD. I guess that's what they mean. And right now, guys, you can see, of course, I do not have up to 100 USD right here. So, but in case you have 100 USD, you simply go ahead and use 1x leverage. So once you buy 1x leverage, once you short with 1x leverage right here on the future trading or perpetual trading, go to spot trading. Okay, bear with me. Go to spot trading. Once you come over here to spot trading, then you need to go ahead and buy the same amount. That is, if you short with $100 right there on the future trading, you come over here to spot trading and buy $100 worth. Okay, you buy $100 worth right here on spot trading, then you short $100 worth right there on the future trading. I understand this, a lot of people may not be able to grab this, but if you're understanding it, then good for you. There's no other way I can explain it because my capital right here is pretty small, right? So this is it. So you need to buy $100 watch right here and short $100 right there on future trading. That is basically how you can be able to trade this with less risk, so that if you are losing right there, you are gaining right here, right? So next thing you need to take note of right here is, of course, the referral. So coming over here to referral, guys, the referral is very juicy. So I've actually customized my referral so that if you join my team, you are going to be getting 5% of the total bonuses meant for this. Some people, when you join the team, you are going to be getting nothing, but I've customized mine so that I will receive 5% and you will receive 5% as well. Use this code right here, 40E4D0. So that's the code you need to use. So what haven't I explained? I guess I've literally explain everything. And another thing that you need to take note of right here is that if you just jump into a trade and jump out of a trade, it is not going to be counted, it's not going to be taken into account. It is going to be classified as wash trade. So if you want to be doing this correctly, make sure you hold the trade for a long period of time, maybe a couple of hours, or you open it in the morning then you close it in the evening. That's the best way to do this. And some other thing you need to note right now is that this airdrop is going to be cooking. Trust me, this airdrop is going to be cooking. So simply do where to create your own account. The link is going to be right there on the video description box. Then go ahead and fund your account, trade with USDF, hold USDF, and open short trade right there on the perpetual trading and buy right there on the spot trading, so that we'll be trading with minimal risk. So this is basically all you need to know right now concerning this airdrop. Any other question you have, drop it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to answer your question correctly, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you guys on the 5th of October when this airdrop is going to be distributed to all the participants. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.